Well, I hope everyone had a great New Year's. I spent it with my girlfriend, drinking wine, eating cheese, and catching some rays. We have two things to do today. Firstly, pick up Little Miss Hampton the boat. Secondly, assist Sid from Partridge Exterior Cleaning with whatever he needs to help get the Victor washed. It wasn't long before we hit the first problem, and that was getting the water out of this Bowser into Sid's van so he can start washing. We had to improvise. We used my crane on my lorry to lift the Bowser up to get enough pressure to gravity feed into his van. This was a little bit desperate. Is that working? Yeah. We had to get a few things done before Sid got here, and that was mainly move junk, which we'll show you now. Oh yeah, it's very slow. Flash it up, Matt! Oh, what a babe! I think that is running. Can you believe that? That's just like you parked here yesterday, like you were saying. See if the air builds up. It is such a babe, isn't it? It's all it needed, just a little bit more power. How long has it been stood here? 5 years, easy. Right, well, that's what it is. Yeah, let's move it before it runs out of fuel. Be a bit cruel to it. It looks 24 miles. It was now time to liberate Little Miss Hampton. Good. 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 Yeah, we're all good. Is that light working, Adam? Just give it a tap. And we're off. Go on, go forward. I think she's all right. Oh, yes. Oh. Have you just stalled it? Yeah. It's a lump. It is a bit of a lump, isn't it? What a bloke. Closer than it looks, isn't it? Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Whoa! This boat is huge. You didn't realise how long this is until you... What's this, Adam? What have you been doing with my lorry?
That, I reckon, that was the bearing on the end of that winch.
Oh dear. Oh, look, you've been burning stuff up on my lorry. What do you think it is? Some sort of scrap truck? Seems we got a lot more water here again. Oh, this is going on well. Before we could take the boat away, we had to pump out more water.
Just see if she'll spin up.
Oh, I think she'll be grand now.
Give her a try.
Wasn't long before Sid used the 2,500 litres of water, and we had to now pump the water out the IBC on the back of the transit. Sid managed to wash more than half the plane on his first day. But it was starting to get dark and it was time to leave. And for all those who want to see the Victor being washed, you'll have to go to Partridge Exterior Cleaning's YouTube channel, that's Sid's, to see that. And hopefully we'll do a video soon of having another attempt of trying to start Little Miss Clapped Hampton. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.